Hello there. Okay, so it's time for us to celebrate Valentine's Day. It's coming up on the 14th of this month, February the 14th, 2021. And I know you're preparing your favorite meal for your loved one, right? Okay, so I thought I'd help you out. So we're going to start out with making some fudge brownies. And then the next video we're going to go to, I thought about making us cabbage soup for appetizer. Just to get your mouth watering. And then we're going to go on from there, okay? So please watch each video and I'll announce what I'm going to do for you so that you can make choices for your loved one, okay? And by the way, happy Valentine's Day in advance from Grandma Ray Don't Play. Okay, so let's make our fudge brownies, okay? Alright, thumbs up. You love brownies? Thumbs up. You love me? Thumbs up. Share the video with others and subscribe. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I have a box of dark chocolate fudge brownie mix by Duncan Hines. So they give you two options. One option if you wanted to have it like fudge brownies, and another option if you want to have it like a cake brownie. We're going to do the fudge brownie, okay? So that calls for 1 egg, 1/3 cup of water, and 1/3 cup of oil. Okay, so let's do that. So we're going to add the 1/3 cup of water. This is a 1/3 cup measurer. I'm going to pour the water into here. Okay, that's 1/3 cup of water. And it called for 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. I'm using olive oil, alright? 1/3 cup of olive oil. You can use whatever oil you have. One-third cup of olive oil. Okay, and it calls for 1 egg. We have 1 egg here. I'm just going to beat it up a little bit and add it in. Okay, now we're just going to mix this up. I don't use a mixer when I'm cooking brownies because brownies is not like a cake. You don't have to get it nice and smooth. You see it got pretty smooth without a mixer. See that? Okay, so here I have a cup of walnuts. I'm going to put half into the mix and then the other half I'm going to save to put on the top. Okay, so this part I'm going to put on the top and the other half you see I put in here. Okay, 1 cup of walnuts, and I just chopped them just a little, not fine, medium size. Okay, and here's my pan that I'm going to be using, and I put some olive oil inside the pan and around the edge already. Alright, so now we're going to put the brownie mix right into this pan. Don't put it all in one spot, spread it around. I'm just taking the back part of my spatula and just moving it to the areas that I don't have any brownie mix. And by using a spatula, it cleans up the bowl pretty good. Gets all the excess brownies out. Okay. Let me clean up this. Okay, so that's what we're looking like so far. Now I'm going to put the walnuts on the top. Try not to put it in one spot, spread it around. Okay, and I'm going to bake this in the oven on 350 degrees until I want to stick the butter knife in, and this time I do want some brownie product on the butter knife because I want it fudgy, okay? I don't want it to cook completely and then it wouldn't be fudgy, okay? Alright, so I'll show you that, and we'll check on this in about what? I'd say 15 minutes. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, our walnut fudge brownies are out, and here they are. And I just want to show you, I just dipped the knife in. You see how it's a little wet there at the tip? You want that when you want it to be fudge, because that way it's still like a little soft inside, and as it sits it will harden up a little bit but not totally, and so when you bite into it it's going to be nice and chewy, and that's what you want. Okay, alright, so I'm gonna let the brownie sit for about maybe 10 minutes, and then I'm gonna come back and cut it for you. Okay, 10 minutes. Thank you. And I'll give you a word today. Okay guys, our fudge walnut brownies are out. Look at that, guys. Look at the middle, how that looks nice and dark and fudgy. And another tip I wanted to tell you about making the perfect brownies is you don't want your pan as big as possible, even though you may think, oh well, this is enough mix to fill it. The smaller the pan, the more your brownie is going to come out nice and chewy. If you put it in a larger pan, it kind of flattens out and gets tough. So if you want to keep it where you can enjoy it and it's nice and chewy, just think about the size of your pan. You don't want it too big. And if you're going to have a big pan, buy 2 boxes of mix and make the 2 boxes. That does it. Okay, so let me take a taste. Oh, look at the fudge on that fork. See? See what I'm talking about? And I want to show you the bottom. Whoops. See how soft it is? It fell right apart. Definitely fudgy and soft inside. Mmm. Guys, that will bring it home. Mmm. Please make your brownies and try doing it the way I just showed you. And you tell me if yours don't come out nice and chewy. I guarantee it. Okay, give this a thumbs up, would you? Thumbs up, thumbs up. You can do that now. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Share the video and subscribe. Love having you hanging around with me. Talk to you soon. Oh, I didn't give you the word of the day. The word of the day is a pet. A pet. A pet can bring you joy and happiness. A pet can be another source for you to love. A pet can be company. A pet can be someone that makes you responsible, because maybe you have to get up and walk them, or you might have to get up and let them out the door, or you may have to get up and feed them, or maybe you have to go to the store to buy their favorite toy or food. A pet can be your best friend. So think about it. If you think that you need a little joy, maybe you need to look into you a pet. That's the word of the day, a pet. All right, love you. Bye-bye.